When they diagnosed me with cancer, the doctor that diagnosed me with stage 3 prostate cancer some 7 years ago. Hallelujah. I thought I was going to die. But and not that I'm glorying in this. The man that pronounced the cancer is dead and gone. I'm still here giving God the praise. And what is for you, no devil can kill you. What is for you, you will not die. You will not go to the mental home. God is going to give it to you. Somebody give God a praise. Standing on his promise. Despite my weakness, despite what I'm struggling with, God's still going to do it. Even when I lose faith in God, He's still going to do it. Even when I cry, He's still going to do it. Even if I backslide, He's still faithful. He's faithful. I said He's faithful. I said the Lord is faithful. I said the Lord is faithful. God will do what He said. I'm finished for the day. I know when the Lord says shut it off, I'm shutting it off. Not that I've got 5 pages of notes, but the Lord said shut it off. Your problem is not your enemy. Your problem is not the lack of money. Your problem is not people hating you. Your problem is not the devil at all. Your problem is that you gotta trust in Jesus. You got to learn how to trust in Him. And when you receive the instructions, follow it. Oftentimes we throw the instructions away. And we end up with an extra bolt or an extra nut or an extra piece.
Absolutely.
Because we didn't read or follow the instructions.
Amen.
Thank you.
You will not get through this without a fight. You're not going to get through this without a fight. But the fight is not yours. You hear me? You're not going to get through without a fight. But you're not going to have to fight in this battle. The way Israel won Jericho was they shouted. They didn't fight. They shouted. And a shout is different than a dance. And a shout is different than a praise. Even if you can't praise Him, you need to open up your mouth and make some noise. next week. The struggle to focus. The struggle to assist those who are struggling. The struggle to change. The struggle to forget. And the struggle to remember. I'm going to talk about those struggles in order to get your Jericho. There's some struggles you must overcome. The first is your weakness. And to know that this is not your battle. You're trying to get revenge.
Glory.
Leave it alone. You're trying to get people back. Trying to prove to them how saved you are. Leave it alone. God has got to fight this battle. You are not strong enough. Hallelujah. So instead of fighting, Lord, give me a strategy. I don't want to struggle. I want a strategy. Come on, somebody. And if God gives you a download or a revelation of strategy, you will be victorious. This season is manifestation. Some of you, many of you, and I pray all of you will see in this next, until the end of this year, God move on your behalf like you've never seen before. Come on, somebody. God is going to move like he has never moved before. And God is going to provide for you. God is not going to cause you to go without. This is your season of manifestation. It's not about how good you can live. It's not about how righteous you can become. God said, I'm going to do it because I love you. I'm not going to do it because you're so good. I'm going to do it because I love you. And despite your weakness, you have failed me over and over. But I'm going to prove to you that I'm going to supply your need. Not because you are so good. It's because he's so great. And you will see it. Enemy is trying to throw this off. Come on, son. He's trying to make you speak a curse to what God has promised. But the enemy is a liar. Keep speaking your miracle. Come on. You want a house? Keep speaking. You want a job? Keep speaking. You want healing? Keep speaking. Come on, somebody. I needed some money for my daughter to continue to school. Hallelujah. I'm just a preacher. Not eager, very meager wages. And I said, Lord, my daughter needs to go back to school. You know. And she was, a month ago, about $17,000 away from being able to go back to school. And I said, Lord, we don't have it. How can I apply for a loan when I only make $5 an hour as a preacher? But let me tell you what God will do. If you trust in God and delight yourself in Him, y'all don't hear what I'm saying. Glory. Come on, son.
Thank you, Father.
Financial aid call. It said, Mr. Carter, we have found $18,000. I said, you found it? Where did you find this money? And the Lord said, shut your mouth, shut your mouth. Don't let your blessing be messed up with your mouth. I said, don't tell me, I don't want to know. Come on, somebody. Not only a grant, scholarship. Not only did they give the $17,000 that was needed for her to return to school, but they gave her $1,000 for book money. Come on, somebody. Because the Lord knew I didn't have it. But God said, I will supply. And you don't think I'm going to give God the praise? He said, I'm going to supply your needs. If you will only trust me.
Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. Hallelujah. Glory be to God.
God says, trust me. Stand to your feet.